some good rocks from it. He picked some good stones from the dike. Then he killed him.
Who'd he kill?
Stop. Don't take any fish. Stop. Then he killed it. Then he put him in a big hole with Hungry Lion. And
that's scary.
then he was jealous. Then the people don't want to be jealous. Then he was the king. Then he prayed to God. Then he got out of the Hungry Lions. Then
And they didn't eat him, did they?
then he put the princess got out of the king. Then he saw a baby. Then he got all presents. Then he take care of the baby. Then he grows up. Then don't get sad. He go like this, and he go, and he put some dirt on his eyes. Then says he's not got any dirt. Then all the children go away. The end. Let's hide. Let's hide.